Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and we are now in Chapter 10. Isn't this incredible? We are starting the last chapter of the textbook. So I hope you feel like you have made tremendous progress in Russian and you know so much more than you did at the beginning of the semester. And now for this little lecture, we are going to learn a very simple construction, which is how to say that someone looks like someone else in Russian. To say that someone looks like someone else in Russian, we use the short form adjective похож for a man, похожа for a woman, or похожи if we're talking about multiple people, and then the preposition на, and then the accusative of the person that they look like. So, like any other short form adjective, like свободен or должен, for example, those are a couple that we've learned, похож matches the subject in gender, and it can only be used in the nominative. And some examples of using it could be на кого похож брат? Who does your brother look like? Брат похож на отца. My brother looks like our father. And remember, in Russian, you don't have to use the possessive pronouns when talking about your own family members. It's assumed that they are your family members unless you specify otherwise. Or we could say, на кого похожа сестра? Whom does your sister look like? Сестра похожа на маму. My sister looks like our mother. На кого вы похожи? Whom do you look like? Мы похожи на родителей. We look like our parents. And so we have the correct form похож. So if it's a man, он похож, a woman, она похожа, multiple people, мы похожи, or они похожи. And then на, and then the accusative of the person that they look like. And that is it.